Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Sims 4 if it's not launching or opening on your PC. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm just going to go ahead and close this game right here. Okay, and once done, if you have the game on the EA app, just go ahead and click on 3 dots right here. And just as you would on the Steam app, you can go ahead and verify the game files. Okay, if you have the game on Steam, launch a Steam app right here. Go ahead and find Sims. Right click on it. Now click on properties, install files, and verify integrity of game files. Okay, just click on it, wait for the process to finish, and once done, go ahead and run the game and check if it helps. Now, if that will work, don't worry, you still have a ton of options. Okay, if you have the game on the EA app, close the EA app like so. Right click on the EA app, click on properties, go to compatibility, and run this program as an administrator. Okay, click on apply. Click on OK. Now, if you have the game right here on your desktop, right click on Sims 4. Again, properties. Now do the same. Compatibility tab, run as administrator. And after that, run the game. Okay. If you have the game on Steam, well, you don't have to do anything. Okay. If that will work, go ahead and go to your file explorer. Now in here, go to documents, find EA or electronic arts, double click on it. Double click on Sims 4 and find local thumb cache.package. Okay, click on it, hit on delete, close the documents tab or folder. Now go ahead and reopen the game and it should work now. All right. Now, if that still will work, you might have a broken mods or broken mods folder. So what we're going to do to fix that is by, I'm just going to close it again. Okay. Go to the document sections once more. Now, right here, EA, Sims 4. Right here, if you have mods, just click on it, right click, and cut. Now, paste it right here on your desktop. And once that's done, reopen the game again, okay? Reopen Sims 4, and it will create a mod folder again, okay? I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and open up Sims 4. Now, once it's opened, you can now then go ahead and close it. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and close it right here. Close, exit. Okay. Wait for it to fully close. Now I'm going to close it right here as well. Go back to EA or documents, electronic arts, Sims 4, and you now have a mods folder. So all you'll do is just go ahead and find the mods folder that you just saved on your desktop. Okay, and if you have a ton of mods right here, double click on it and copy all the mods, right click, cut, and just hit on paste. Okay, and once that's done, run the game again and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.